All right, so we are ready to do your final weld before the project for this term. Weld number 5. Weld number 5 is a corner joint with 70/18. So again, we are going to tack together these two pieces, making sure that they're touching corner to corner. Tack them and then weld it together with 70/18. The amperage on this should be, I think 110 will be all right. Probably don't need to go much higher than that, but mess with it. If you go too hot, obviously you'll burn a giant hole through the center there. You can use the jigs we used for TIG welding, but I would recommend you definitely remove the jigs before you weld this, because you will ruin our jigs if you don't. Okay? I'm just gonna hold these together and get them tacked on. So let's go ahead and gear up for weld number 5. Again, just so we know, when we tack together, we don't need to pull a rod. So finding the stubs that are in the trash cans or the metal cans, you can use those for tacking. That way you can still have a full rod to do your weld. So the way I'm going to tack this, I'm just going to hold it. And again, trying to make sure it's 90 degrees to each other. And we're going to strike up an arc. All right, now that we've got this joint approximately 90 degrees to each other, I'm going to weld it. Again, same principles apply. Start here, get my electrode kind of filled up, and then push down. All right? Striking the arc is probably the hardest part. Once you get that going, you just strike it, push it in, and yeah, about 110. I may throw us down at 105. We'll see how it goes. But somewhere in that range, 105 to 110. You can hear the arc kind of push through. All right, yeah, definitely was a little warm. When you tack these together, and again, the shear leaves a burr, I would put the burr to the outside, leaving the smoother edge on the inside. This will help for a tighter fit. I'm going to weld this about 105 amps. Line up the other side. Get nice and tight. There's our weld. Pretty smooth. Down that way. Pretty even. There's your open corner. Now, if we have to do a second one of these, all you're going to do is grab another plate, tack it together, and now you can kind of make like a zigzag. Go back and forth. You don't need to get another 2 pieces to make another open corner. Use your previous one and tack it together like that. All right, so there's weld number 5. Good luck on this weld. It's not too bad. A lot of fun. Arc control and watching the puddle. That's the key. And again, about 105 amps.